Hello MANHART fans all around the world. Behind me is what started out as a beach blue BMW X6M. What it is now, a much darker and much faster MANHART MHX6 700. And this car indeed is just super brutal. So it's got the full MANHART carbon package, MANHART carbon hood, MANHART carbon front spoiler. It's got a carbon rear diffuser and of course a MANHART exhaust system, which makes it very, very loud. Okay, let's give it one more shot. And go. This is really quick. This is really rather fast. And that all in an SUV or SAC as you will. But just a 2-ton car that just accelerates. Like, I mean, this car is basically the same acceleration speeds than a Ferrari F430 just a couple of years ago had. And this is just something you have to think of when you sit in this car and you cruise along with your family and your dog in the back maybe, and then you just have an accelerations like a proper supercar. Over 700 horsepower. 900 Newton meters of torque. Oh, this pushes. A massive carbon package. Super loud. So the X6 already was a brutal car, but this is a total monster. Massive performance upgrade, massive exterior upgrade, and just so much fun to drive.